all going. So today I'm revisiting 7 Acre Rock. So I came up here around 12 months ago. Restrictions are starting to ease, starting to head back out in the bush. Sorry there hasn't been a video for a little while, but obviously we haven't been able to get out and about. But myself and Maisie are heading up there now, and we'll let you in and give you a look at that awesome view from up there. But all right, so we'll keep on moving. See you soon. Okay, so we're in the car park now of 7 Acre Rock. Now, since last time I was here, which I think it was about 12 months ago, I mentioned before, there's new drop toilets here. And over my shoulder there, you can see the walk towards 7 Acre Rock. So it's 1.5 k's there. I think it's actually 1.5 k's return. So we're going to wander in now, and then we'll make our way back to the car here and have some lunch. But yeah, nice cruisy arvo. Awesome day out here, bit of a breeze around, but yeah, we'll go check it all out. So something I've noticed already just coming back here was last time was quite overgrown. It was like you're walking in a bit of a tunnel of trees and foliage and stuff. It's all been cleared, but there's quite a few trees down. We've had some big windstorms in the last few months. But yeah, the walking's pretty easy going, but yeah, we'll keep pushing on. What do you think so far, the walk, Mace?
Yeah, it's good. Not
Good.
too overgrown. Bit muddy though.
A little bit muddy. All right, so you're looking forward to the view?
Yeah, it should be good. So right now, myself and Maisie are standing on the top of 7 Acre Rock. The walk in, it's only probably about 750, 800 metres. It's pretty straightforward. There's a couple of really cool ferns, a bit muddy underfoot like I mentioned on the way up. The last 50 metres or so, you do have to clamber up a few rocks, but it's not that hard to get over those. Just make your way up, but just keep in mind if you do have young ones with you, just to keep an eye on them, purely because there's a lot of rocks, spots where they could slip or fall through, especially if it was wet up here. But the views is absolutely simply rewarding. We can see right across to the back of Mount Dandenong there. They're actually doing planned burns at Sylvan Dam there this afternoon or today. And on a really clear day you can see as far as Western Port Bay and of course across to Melbourne. But it's absolutely spectacular. So good to be out and about again. Loving every minute of it. You enjoying it? Yeah.
Yeah. Alrighty. Time to head back and have some lunch. So we've just got back from the walk. Something else I've just noticed that's changed here as well are these picnic tables behind me. So last time I was here, this was quite overgrown. There was just an old table here, so got a couple there. And that new toilet replaced the old dirty drop toilet that was there. But yeah, so this is all good. Oh, and also the sign's been replaced as well, I just noticed. So it's always good to see changes happening. And one other big plus is no rubbish lying around here as well, which is awesome to see. So yeah, we're about to have some wraps for lunch and move on. Alright, so we're just having some wraps now for lunch. It's the first time I've got to use this table extension, so you can see how easy it is already just for that. So what I'll do at the end of this video, I'll drop a link down below for how I did this table installation. If you're interested in how I did it, jump on there and check it out. But yeah, we're just going to dig in now. So we're now just down in Powtown. So the turn off is only about a kilometre back up the road, so we've just come down here to grab a drink and start making our way back home. But thanks heaps for watching. It's really good to be back out in the bush again. Now if you have liked what you've seen, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to us when you do that. And I will see you all next time. Cheers. Towards 7-8 towards 7 Acre Rock. G'day. Things, but so if you have seen what